flavor did you get?
Almond fudge.
Yum. This is Sarah's hot fudge sundae. It's huge. Here we are eating our ice cream at Mary Nellie's. Mary Nellie's?
Mary Ann's.
What's it called?
Mary Ann's.
Where's Gilligan and the skipper? This is a very famous place. Oh, I'm filming that lady's butt. We met some very nice young boys in here. So, yeah.
And so I had to do some digging, and then I brought it to my boss and I said, you know what? So they just kind of wrote it off the first time, then it happened again. And then we put it over.
We're at Mobo Sushi here in Santa Cruz. Yeah.
This is, what do you call it?
Sushi boat.
I can't even get it. I can't even get it in the picture.
Mango Fuji Moriwa.
This is our sushi boat. All sashimi. It's humongous. Here we are walking downtown Santa Cruz after a great dinner. And we've seen everything from preachers to singers to guitarists. And these guys are pretty awesome right here. I better go find Sarah.
Streets of Santa Cruz at night.
Streets of, where are we? Santa Cruz. Movie theater down there.
Black and blue foot.
Any specific kind of turkey you like? I prefer smoked turkey, that's what this is.
Here's her foot today.
I'll see if I can have a variety pack, but
Bruised.
I don't know if we have any.
Who are you talking to?
A goat. Jarrett the cog.
Say something, Jared. Say hi to your fans. Turn it on speaker.
What's up, guys? You're in California. How are you feeling right now?
Here it is.
Hello everybody. We're here at Byington Winery, where Jeremy and I are going to have our fabulous wedding day. Look at this view.